my people. More updates don dey come out. Breeze don dey blow. E be like say we don dey see fowl yansh small. This Super TV CEO matter, when e dey for ground, how dem take kpai am, how Chidinma take kpai am. My people, we don dey see more updates when e dey come for inside the matter. Now say make I still carry am come for una, make una sef still dey know wetin dey sup. My correct people, but before I go dey let una dey know wetin dey shele, make I first throw away salute for una. Hello my correct people, you are welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Yes, I'm back again with another ogbonge gist. My name na Lady G. In case today na your first time when you come across my channel and you never subscribe, I beg make you not forget to subscribe and just click that notification bell. Help your sister so that anytime when I throw away ogbonge gist like this, you know go fit dey miss. And yes, my correct people, this matter when e dey for ground, the thing where gelo e haro na so Urobo people talk, not the small thing. Una know say this Super TV CEO when e be say the matter don dey for ground for some time now. They don dey look for this man since on the 13th of June. Now so the matter take start to my people. Now since on the 13th of June, now the family start to dey look for this man. They no hear from am. They no know whereabout. They think say maybe na work or one thing or the other. Now he carry am comot. Now where the matter come dey shake ground for inside the family now when e be say even for him office when e be say he be the CEO, he no even still show at all. My people, when e come be say now on the 18th of that same June, now he supposed to be the man birthday. This Super TV CEO now when he supposed to be his birthday, he no still show. Even the mama of the man self saying even wish am happy birthday, write am for him for his Facebook page. He no know say the person when they wish am happy birthday, he no know say he pikin himself he don't buy. My correct people, no be small matter. So as matter they rise up, different things they come up. They come find out say now one small babe. Now he send the man that kid and come when they call Chidinma. And when you see the babe face, the way it take fine, the way she take look innocent, she even dress simple self. Many people self no quick they believe say now this small girl now go fit do that kind of thing. Many people still they assume say it be like say they use this small girl. It could be possible, who knows? My current people, as they come they dig inside the matter, many people come they even they feel say maybe the wife when the man gets set for house. You know say when things like this happen, people they mostly they blame the woman. They go talk say maybe the woman no they clean up well, maybe the woman no set well, maybe not get ikebe super, maybe the woman no they work, you know whole pay, you know, maybe na you know they give. You know, they must see different things when they go to talk. Say, maybe na him make the man they live this kind of life. My people, as they come find out, they come they do research, they come see say this man self, the wife when he put for house self, the woman self even be like say he even find past this small babe. When he send the man that kid don't come now, my correct people, I go to drop the pictures for them, make una they see them. It could happen to be say not be only say the woman find the woman set to the woman self take hand go ground. As the man fine, I don't say the man a handsome man. People don't say the man, you know they gay. Na handsome man. The wife self when he still put for house, the woman self still correct finish. They can't even get 3 children join them. So it can happen to be say this woman they work for even big office, just the same way when this man they work for this big office. My people, as I they drop the picture for now, I go they drop some of the right up when he follow this matter about the wife of this Super TV CEO for now. The thing when me I see for them, they can't write some, they can't talk say the woman name, they can't say this is Brenda Ataga, the wife of late Usifo Ataga, who was by his 21-year-old side chick. Then they can't still talk say Brenda is the national project coordinator of the LPG gas expansion program in the office of the Honorable Minister of State and Petroleum Resources. My correct people. Una go see and say, no be quite woman, no. So waiting this man they look for, you know, I see they wonder how you won't take satisfy men for this world, my people. You know, when these things like this they happen, we must see everybody get their opinion. We must see different things talk. So this small girl now when he do this kind of thing, now when he can't do this kind of matter, now when he can't be say the whole social media they shake now. Many people they feel say they don't believe say she gets mind do that kind of thing. If you now look the CCTV camera a big when it come out, you know say one CCTV camera catch them when e be say they still dey jolly. That is it, when the going was good. When she and the man sef dem still dey jolly. Una go see am say e be like say this thing she arrange everything. Yes, because me, I don't sit down and do research. I don't watch this thing. I don't watch the video. I don't see the write-up amenities. I don't see and say e be like say this girl he arrange this thing. Apart from say the place when e be say she and the man dem go lodge put, when e be say dem say dem take some place like private apartment, when e be say they no want make anybody know, come dey pocknose. They no want make anybody know where dem dey. They just want to do the thing coole. But we dey hear say this babe and the man say they don dey follow each other, they don dey date each other for the past 4 months. So no be today, no be in the start. So no be say they just won't do am one day, make them quick claim out. No. So now this girl, na him go rent that place, na him pay for that place, na him take the man go there. And now this same girl, na him still buy the man. And he buy am to the extent when he be say people no quick know. She arrange everything. After she don't do everything finish, she collect the man money, collect the man phone. She know how to clean herself. So if you now see everything, be like say this girl, he arrange everything. She know wetin she dey do, because more evidence they come out. So they can't even still find out say even this same girl say the identity when she dey use now her another name dey. She dey use some driving license when be say now another name. When another name she dey answer for them, now another name now she dey answer for ground. And I go even bad now say even this Super TV CEO when be say she buy now. If he be say the man self no even know the babe real name. If he be say no, he don't know the real name. If he be say now that all those fake name when he dey write for his documents, when he tell they rent apartment, they do different things they go. If he be say that name, now the man, now you know and put. But unfortunately, be say person when you don't buy, you know they come down, you know they come out, they talk again. So anything when she talk now people will take. But the thing when he come pay me pass for inside this matter, be say, I dey feel bad for the mama when he born this girl, because you know get as it go be if you be mama, as young as she is. I know by now waiting the mama go don dey feel. Apart from say the shock, they no expect say their pikin don wide reach like this. Some children they won't be say not the way we they look some children, not be so dem be for inside house. So that is why build relationship with your children. Yes, build relationship with your children. Not be only to go outside, go look for money, come give them. Say na so na their family end. No. Some parents, they when it be say they with their children, they don't know who their children be. Then they provide everything when they need for the children. That will not be guaranteed say everything don't do okay, say the children will do okay. If you don't get that personal relationship with your children, make friend with them, build relationship with them, let them be your best friend. When they be your best friend, you be their best friend. They no go feel hide anything for you. Their movements, I know say 100%, you know, go complete finish, but you go know some of them. Yes, my correct people. So now that one, now there that one end. So it can see BCM, one of another Cubana priest, Cubana chief priest. That one can still carry on for his side. He can talk say how things don't be now. Make every man, that is every sugar daddy, when they say they don't marry, when they don't want to leave small babes when they outside the law, make them return to base. The question be say they go here, they don't go here now. You know get how you will make some men happy, rich, show everything complete, finish. Then still they look for that thing for outside, for the fact say that age gap, that is that age different. Say now, so self take on like what be say, if you be say, if you don't feel they do am like that, the way other men they do am, it go be like say you don't be man enough. Some they do am for competition, they do am like game. Yes. So my correct, I just only feel bad for this small girl now when it can be say her youth, na inside kri na go spend her youth. Because if you look at my correct people, this matter when they for ground, not be matter when they say they go take hand push go one side though. The family when this thing happen to now people when it take hand touch ground. Now Banana Island, that they live Banana Island. You don't say before person go live for Banana Island, you don't know how that person self you go don't talk fresh. I be sure now they grab waiting at the top. Yes. So, and if you look the place where the girl for come, the environment itself, where she for come, where they go carry and where Kotia be what they call her Olakpa, where they go pick am. Now go see and say now poor that is now person when he be say now I'm not sure say if this family they won't really take up the case, they won't really take and follow this small girl. My correct people, make una just they pray for this small girl, because I don't know how I will take talk. Anyway, I want make una sef drop una opinion, how una see and how una think, and if update still dey the matter, I go still bring am for now. My correct people, na here I go leave una today, na here I go close the chapter today. I go still see una very soon for my next video wey no go too take from now. Abeg, if you be say today na your first time when you dey come across my channel and you never subscribe, abeg make you no forget to subscribe and just click that notification bell so that anytime when I throw away ogbonge gist like this, you no go fit dey miss am. And una wan be my returning subscriber and my viewers when they watch me any part of the world, wey una dey help me dey watch my video anytime when I upload new video. God go bless una for me. Oh, I appreciate una so much. I go see una very soon for my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.